Purchasing your next pressure washer doesn't have to be painful. Since 1963, Action Cleaning Equipment has remained dedicated to helping customers make informed decisions. When purchasing your pressure washer, considerations should include application, frequency of use, and budget. Residential applications include brick, siding, fences, decks, sidewalks, and driveways. Most residential applications can be handled with a cold water pressure washer. We recommend at least 1,500 psi or pounds per square inch at 3 or 4 GPM or gallons per minute of water. For maximum mobility, we recommend 150 to 200 feet of steel wire braid high pressure hose. Many commercial and industrial applications require the use of a hot water pressure washer. These applications may include heavy equipment cleaning, oil and grease removal, commercial sidewalks, parking lots and parking garages, graffiti removal, and restaurant applications such as vent hoods and grease traps. Pressure washers can be either stationary or mobile. Stationary pressure washers remain in one location and usually require permanent plumbing. They are used in limited applications such as a wash bay or wash area. Mobile pressure washers offer maximum flexibility. From residential to commercial and industrial, there's a mobile pressure washer to fit any application. Skid-mounted pressure washers can be used as either stationary or mobile units. However, they offer perhaps the greatest flexibility as part of a trailer-mounted pressure washing unit, complete with a water supply tank. This setup is ideal for remote pressure washing where there is no water supply or water pressure is too low. While gasoline and diesel-powered pressure washers may be more mobile in some instances, there is a great environmental benefit to the alternative electric pressure washer. Because they are clean running, electric pressure washers are ideal for cleaning situations where emissions would otherwise be a problem. Before making a purchase, it's important to determine how often you will be using a pressure washer. If you will not be using a pressure washer at least once every 3 months, we offer other options such as renting or leasing. With top brands such as Alcoda, Hydrotech, Karcher, and Landa, Action Cleaning Equipment will work with your budget. With a simple phone call, we can help you determine which option is right for you. We also offer reliable alternatives such as reconditioned pressure washers and units from our rental fleet. While Action Cleaning Equipment is known for having the top brands of pressure washers and pressure washer accessories, we also specialize in related areas such as automatic parts washers, wastewater treatment systems, water supply tanks, and environmentally friendly biodegradable detergents and cleaning agents. To learn more about our products and how Action Cleaning Equipment can help you, call us today at 713-869-1417 or visit us on the web at www.actioncleaning.net. We look forward to hearing from you.